Farmers Union Curried Cauliflower and Yogurt Soup. To make this delicious creamy soup, start by heating the oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Then add the onion, garlic and ginger. Cook stirring for about 3 minutes or until the onion softens. Next add the cauliflower, curry powder, cumin, ground coriander and turmeric. Cook stirring for 1 minute or until you can smell those gorgeous aromatic spices. Then add the coriander stems and stock. And give it a good stir to combine. Bring the mixture to the boil and then reduce the heat to low. Cook for 10 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender. Season with salt and pepper. Then set the mixture aside to cool slightly. For the perfect texture, use a stick blender to carefully blend the cauliflower mixture until smooth. If you don't have a stick blender, you can blitz the mixture in batches in a food processor or blender. Stir in Farmers Union Greek-style yogurt. Place the pan over low heat and cook stirring for 2 minutes or until heated through. To fry curry leaves, place some oil in a small frying pan over low heat. Carefully add the curry leaves. They will spit, so stand back. Cook for 15 seconds until they just start to go translucent. Transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to cool. Divide the soup mixture among serving bowls and top with Farmers Union Greek-style yogurt, coriander leaves and fried curry leaves. Serve the soup with some naan bread and lime wedges. Farmers Union Greek-style yogurt elevates this soup, giving it a rich and creamy taste. For more soup recipes, head to our Soups and Slow Cooker playlist here.